Hello guys, how are you? Thank you for the next tutorial. In this tutorial, I will guide you how you can add your opening balances in Quick Financial. So please first log into your software, then select your desired company, and then you have to go to the journal ledger, and there is an account opening balance where you find your all accounts, and here you can add the debit or either a credit balance, and then use the save button to save this. Hope this will help you to add opening balances in your account because your these opening balances also reflect in your trial balance in Quick Financial. Thank you so much.